everybody. We're going to be making glass looking bowls, but actually they're plastic. And the first step is to take a permanent marker and color all over this plastic sheet. You can buy the name brand of the plastic sheet, which is Shrinky Dink, or you can buy like a Mylar sheet that shrinks with heat. So then after you're done coloring it, and the more color you have, the better it looks, I get heat guns out and I put the plastic on a kiln shelf so it doesn't burn the table. And I put a glass bottle in the middle and we just go around it with a colored pencil to kind of push it around and our heat gun, and it just kind of shrinks right up around that bottle and creates this very cool looking little dish. You could put coins in it or hair ties, I don't know, all sorts of stuff you could put in. So anyway, once you get it shrunk up from the heat, then you just let it cool off for a few seconds and pop it off from the bottle, and there you go. You have a really cool little bowl that you've made out of plastic sheeting that looks like glass. It's very cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun.